Good morning. As the chairman of Handloom Export Promotion Council, it gives me immense pleasure in welcoming all the participants on board for this virtual home decor event jointly organized by the Consulate General of India in Sao Paulo, Brazil and Handloom Export Promotion Council of India. At the outset, I thank Mr. Amit Kumar Mishra, Consul General, and Mr. Suraj Mohan, Vice Consul of the Consulate General of India, Sao Paulo, for their valuable support and guidance towards organizing this virtual event. Further, on behalf of HEPC, I take this opportunity to thank President, Vice President, Finance Executive, and Junior Director from Cindy Tecidos, Commerce Association of Fabrics in Brazil, and President and International Business Executive from AB Casa for their support in disseminating our event information among their members and inviting their participation. Friends, as you are aware, the global textile sector has become the most severely affected among manufacturing sectors due to the coronavirus pandemic, which has challenged the world on every front. With the vaccination happening all around the world, the economic activities are slowly reviving. However, the international travel activities are yet to resume to its pre-COVID situation. HEPC, under the aegis of the Development Commissioner, Handlooms, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, has been playing an active role in promoting export of hand-woven products from over 1,500 registered members. The major handloom export centers are Karur, Panipat, Varanasi, Kannur, etc. The main product categories exported are home textiles, including bed linen, table linen, toilet and kitchen linen, towels, curtains, upholstery, etc. Floor coverings, including rugs, durries, floor mats, bath mats, etc. Clothing accessories like stoles, scarves, etc. And fabrics like saris, terry towels, fashion fabrics. As a measure of adapting to the new normalcy, HEPC has been strategically working on an innovative way to provide opportunities for its members exporters to engage with global buyers by switching to virtual trade fairs and exhibitions. HEPC has successfully organized 8 such country-specific virtual events during 2020-21 and is proposing to have similar events during the current year, focusing on the markets in UK, Germany, Belgium, USA, Sweden and Denmark. Brazil is the leading importer of Indian hand-woven textiles among countries in the Latin American region. In such scenario, the proposal from Indian Consulate in Sao Paulo to organize a virtual event to facilitate a virtual meeting between Indian exporters and Brazilian importers has come in handy to tap the market potential in this region. The 2-day virtual event hosts about 15 members exporters from all over India with a virtually display of their products, which include the entire range of home textiles and floor covering. I appeal to the textile importers in the region to avail this opportunity by virtually visiting the event to find their right suppliers for their sourcing needs. I once again thank the Consulate General of India for their valuable support and cooperation in making this event success. Last but not least, I would also like to thank Ms. Sibel of Hot Marketing Brazil for her valuable efforts in making this virtual event possible with a short span of time. I wish all the participants to have a successful event. Thank you.